XMSD supplies. IQF frozen cauliflower for global B2B buyers, including food processors, frozen vegetable distributors, importers, retail brands, food service operators, and central kitchens. Our frozen cauliflower is processed from carefully selected fresh cauliflower, then cleaned, trimmed, blanched, or steamed according to product requirements, and individually quick frozen to maintain natural color, texture, and usability. Available formats include frozen cauliflower florets, green stem cauliflower, whole cauliflower, and customized cuts for food manufacturing, frozen vegetable mixes, ready meals, soups, catering, and retail packaging. With stable sourcing, strict quality control, cold chain logistics, and export documentation support, XMSD helps buyers reduce procurement risk and maintain consistent frozen cauliflower supply for repeat orders.